Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is swnllyd, which means noisy. Swnllyd, as in, mae'r plant yn swnllyd iawn. The children are very noisy. Swnllyd, noisy.